We are here at the Allen Professional Center now. Where is the elevator? There it is. Here we go. And we got a fan. Tedric. Listen. That works. Oh, it looks like they got a GAO replacement. The rest of the buttons are Epco Halon. No handrail. Ooh. Squeaky, squeaky. I know the machine room's right out, so. Go check. And the elevator motor room is right here, so we're gonna give it a listen. See, look at this Epco button. That's cool. Thumbnail. And look at this. Look at how high that. Look at that. Balfour fire alarm. That's awesome.